Welcome to my YouTube channel Pro Tech Shahid Raju. How to make Microsoft Edge less annoying. Microsoft Edge has many features that most people do not care about, serving to only cultures and confuse but they remain in the browser to help boost Microsoft search engine business or other services. If switching to another browser is not an option, you can turn off most of Edge to create an easier web browsing experience. Change the new tab page. The default new tab page in Microsoft Edge is filled with sponsored link, recommended articles, shopping, and other junk that does not need to be three. You have two option customizing the included new tab page or replacing it entirely with a blank page. First open a new tab and click the setting button in the top right corner of the page, not the browser. You will see all the available options for the new tab page design including the layout, background and other setting. For the most manual appearance, let layout to focus, turn off show sponsored link and set content to content off. You can also turn off the quick link and further information entirely. The end result is much less distracting. You can also replace the page entirely. An extension which might be helpful is ask you in the future to turn the back on or just it for you. Google Chrome and other browser have a built-in setting for a blank page, but Edge does not. If you want to, this blank new tab extension is an excellent option. Edge might block the extension when you install it to help protect your browser setting, and if that happens, you need to open and enable it. Microsoft Edge might ask you about the new tab page one more time with a prompt like, is this the new tab page you need to confirm. After that, you all have a completely blank new tab page free of distracting and clickbait articles. There are a few other new tab page replacement extensions, but many of them require more permissional and some browser extensions can be privacy risk. Turn off copilot and the sidebar. Microsoft Edge has a large button on the toolbar that opens the copilot all assistant, which used to be the ping button. It's also integrated with the sidebar in Edge, which makes removing the button or sidebar more confusing. You can hide the sidebar in Edge and leave the copilot button in the main toolbar, but adding the copilot button will force the sidebar to be turned off. First, the open in Microsoft Edge or open the browser setting and select sidebar on the left side of the page. Next, click the copilot menu. Yes, even the sidebar specific settings are in the copilot section for some reason. In the copilot setting, you can turn off always show sidebar, which will hide the sidebar until you click or hover over the copilot button. In Edge, you can turn off copilot and the sidebar by switching show copilot to off again. You cannot have the sidebar without turn off extra services. Microsoft Edge user your browsing history, usage, favorites, and other data to personalize the new tab page and shopping features. For example, if you visit a certain shopping site a lot, you might be alerted about a new coupon for that site. If that sound to or you are just do not care, you can easily turn it off.